Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to disable direct message from other users which are not in your follower list in TikTok. So we are in profile. So that person or user which are not in your follower list cannot message you. So we are going to block it or disable it. On top right, you see three line hamburger menu. So click on it and then you see setting and privacy option. So again click on it. So we are in setting and privacy option and then you see privacy. So again click on it. So we are in privacy and then you see direct messages. So click on it. So we are in direct messages and then you see permission setting. So again click on it. So we are in permission setting and then you see two option, potential connection request, others on TikTok request, but we are going to disable direct messages from others on TikTok, that users which are not in your follower list. Potential connection mean that user can message you which are in your follower list. So click on others on TikTok. So click on it. So we are in others on TikTok and then you see receive messages in request, don't receive. Now you see instruction. You will receive message request from others on TikTok in your message request unless you choose not to receive them. Now select don't receive. Now you see setting updated. So in this way you can disable direct messages from other users in TikTok which are not in your follower list. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.